guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for you to be here. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a first impression on the new Kat Von D Metal Crush 10-year anniversary highlight in the color Gold Skool. Now, I didn't wear any highlighter on my face today just for the sake of this video, and I also wore a matte blush and also a really matte foundation. I just wore everything matte on my face just so we could see the highlighter on its own, and I'm super excited. So we are just gonna go ahead and jump into it. So if you want to see me try out this highlighter for the first time, let's go. Okay guys, so excuse my eye look today. I feel like it looks kind of bad because I used this new eyeliner in my crease today and it's like cracking on me, so just ignore that. But this is what the box looks like. Of course, it's in a gold package, super cute. This does retail for $30 on Sephora's website. Now let's go ahead and open it. And so this is what the actual packaging of the product looks like. It's in that really nice yellowy gold color, and it says Kat Von D on there, Metal Crush. And this is the back of the product, and it's in the color Gold Skool. Now I can tell this packaging does get fingerprints on it really easily. Okay, and so this is what the actual product looks like. Oh my gosh, it looks super blinding and beautiful. I cannot wait to try it. It's so pretty, and it does come with a mirror. Okay, so I'm first gonna go in with this Morphe M510 brush, and I did wipe it off with some brush cleaner to make sure that no other highlight was on it. And I'm just gonna dip into the product. And it does look like it has some glitter in there, so if you don't like glitter highlights, you are not gonna like this. Alright, I got a little bit on my brush. Okay, let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay, so first of all, what I'm noticing is that it does have lots of glitter, and you could definitely see it on the skin. It's kind of flying everywhere. It's like really hard to sit down on the skin. That is what it's looking like. It looks really gold. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try it with a different brush. This one is more dense, and it's better to pack on loose highlighters. And this is the Real Techniques setting brush. And so now I'm going to go in with this one and see what that does. It has a really pretty sheen. I just feel like it's not wanting to actually stick to my skin because my face is so matte. I feel like it needs something wet to stick to. So we might go in with some Fix Plus here in a second. But let me go ahead and look at it. Let's see what it looks like. I feel like you can't exactly see the highlight once I'm looking straight in the mirror, but once I turn my head, you can definitely tell it's there. And it looks really pretty. Okay, so on this side of my face, I'm going to go in with some Fix Plus first on my brush, and then we're going to try it that way. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe brush and spray it. And then just go straight into the product. We're going to try it on this side. So it's definitely more blinding with the wet brush, of course. We would expect that. And it looks a lot more gold as well. And then I'm just going in with more product. I'm not spraying the brush again though, I'm just going on top of that. Whew! That is beautiful. I like it because it made it really blinding, but usually it kind of leaves a stripe on the face. But it's just melting into the skin really nicely, and so usually I would have to go in with my blush again and everything, but I feel like it looks pretty nice like that. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to this side now with the same brush. Just going to spray it first and go into the product. Ooh. So the Fix Plus does kind of make it different on the packaging. It's kind of messing up the way it looks. It doesn't look as pretty anymore, but that's okay. Okay, now I'm just going to take some and put some in the center of my nose. Maybe I'll go in with the Real Techniques brush instead to do like my nose. It's definitely gold, but it's not as gold as like the Rihanna highlighter that everybody likes. I don't even know what it's called because I never picked it up. What is it called? I think like Gold Digger. I could be wrong. I have no idea. Now I'm gonna go on the Cupid's bow. It is looking really pretty. I'm gonna put some up here on my forehead. I've been liking doing this lately. And I'm just going in with a dry brush at this point. And you can see like glitter flecks. Here, I'll go ahead and spray this brush as well, just so we could see what that looks like. I totally just soaked my mirror with that Fix Plus, but it's okay. It is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some Fix Plus and see how like it all looks melted together. Woo! Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? It looks so wet. Woo! I like it. I'm gonna be super extra today, and I'm actually gonna go on top of this like wet face right here and just add more. Woo! It's not exaggerating any of my texture. I have a lot of bumps right here, and I feel like it's not exaggerating them, which is really, really good. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and let my face dry now. Look how much fingerprints are on my product now. And it does have like that mirrored packaging. So I'm looking really closely in the mirror, and there is definitely some like glitter particles that I don't like. But you could kind of just like buff them away with your brush. I feel like I definitely went ham on this Cupid's bow. I feel like I have a little bit too much highlighter right there. Okay guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So far, I'm really liking the highlighter. I feel like the color is super unique. It's very gold, but it's not too dark to where paler people couldn't wear it. And I just really like the way it looks on the skin. It doesn't exaggerate any of my texture or anything like that. And so far, so good with this highlight. And yeah, if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comments down below. Also, before you go, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'm so sorry this video was kind of short. I just wanted to jump on here and try this new highlighter with you guys because I was really excited about it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!